Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Oh, well, that's not a big...
Even if they're dangerous, we still have to get them off the side of this cliff. Tell Amber and Roy to be on standby.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Attention! Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you...
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
McQueen!
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
And I'm not even very sleepy because of my nap this afternoon. I'm bored.
Unstoppable! Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
engine. Percy, Flynn's not a tank engine. He's a different kind.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Little bit of training.
Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
I hereby dub thee.
Oh, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
Tails down here! I created a drink in your honor!
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper pump.
Come, does the king, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dinoco's golden...
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen.
Drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Yes! We have a three-way tie.
Ven, tractorcito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 ven acá.
Thing okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys.
Mini ghost flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Okay, I didn't want him to do this, Doc, but believe me, no choice. Fellow citizens, you...
Is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is ready.
Ooh-wee, that was one close finish. You sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you.
But you'll never be one of us.
McQueen tiene que alcanzarlo. Está intentando por dentro. ¡Wow! Es como...
Wait a second, this is Aeroshell 100. I thought I ordered the DT2380. Well, I am sorry you had...
The best Ferrari. Which one of them look more like a Ferrari? There were even some non-Ferrari.